Hello, how is your morning? Right there, you are here at our place. It is morning and with some chills of wet winds, so it's cold. And of course, the weather is excellent. And to us who are destined here, it's a good moment to share. Today, I want to teach you about Stoic philosophy. I know most of us we are Stoic because we like quoting and doing quotations about Stoic. These short quotations. You can find them written in the motor vehicles and everywhere. And those people who like to share things on status, on WhatsApp status, and everywhere in social networks. These short quotations are Stoic. We call them Stoic. So today I want to share with you some few Stoic quotations. They are available in my book, one of my book, which is about Stoic philosophy, and it's called The Memoirs of a Loner. So when you find that book one day, you will find it has more than 800 quotations, Stoic philosophy quotations. So you will enjoy if you are a Stoic. So let's discuss, and I'm going direct to my few quotation. They are like 10. So the first one, it says, "Don't eat poisonous food unless if we want to die." Don't eat poisonous food unless if we want to die. Most of us, we like indulging in actions which we know for sure they are dangerous. You indulge yourself in reckless actions, in things which you know absolutely what this I'm doing, it's a dangerous thing, but you keep doing it. For example, for those who like indulging themselves or involving themselves in love affairs, you can see maybe a woman or a man, and you know for sure this person here in front of me has certain problem. But instead of questioning yourself, instead of thinking before you act, you go direct and you go to involve with that man or woman with sexual affairs. And for sure you know maybe he's sick from any disease, but you don't care. And or you care, but you think you take things for granted. You think it's just I'm just passing time. There's no problem. So my friend, in doing so, you are making yourself in a dangerous position or in a dangerous situation where you will find yourself you are in trouble. So don't eat poisonous food unless if you want to die. That is the first one. The second quotation, or the second Stoic quotation, says that a life worth spent is the one that doesn't try to impress others. A life worth spent is the one that doesn't try to impress others. We know in life sometimes we find ourselves in difficult situations where we can't make decisions because we think of what others will say about us. But that is not the issue. What you are supposed to know, you have to live your life. Don't bother yourself to think that how people are going to react, how people are going to say about this, how people will be saying about me, how will they tell me, how will they say who am I after doing maybe some decision or after choosing what to do in my life. In your life, choose what you want to do without bothering or without considering people's opinion, because people's opinions they are for their own sakes, and they doesn't concern you. Let them say you are this, you are that, but you have decided to live your life, because that is a privilege of an excellent man, to live your own life regarding of what people says about you. So don't bother to listen to other people of what you are trying to live, or you are trying to accomplish in your life. If you want to be a doctor, just process your journey. If you want to be a lawyer, just go on with that. If you want to be a businessman, just do that. If you want to be a witch doctor, that's funny. It's an enjoyment to you. Then do it, because it makes you happy. So don't bother to listen to other people's of what they say about your decision or your style of living or your life. So that is number 2. Number 3, to care is to respect others' feelings. Do not hurt the ones they care. To care is to respect others' feelings. So do not hurt the ones they care, or the things they care. In life, this I will dedicate this quotation to our siblings, to our parents, our friends, those who say that they care about us. We need to ask them a question: do they respect what do we care? What do we care about? If you care about me, respect what I care about. Respect my passion, respect my work, respect what I think of, this is right. Don't interfere, don't cross the line, because to care about me is to respect the boundaries. Do not cross the line, stay on the lane. So that is how we care about others. That's how we care about our friends. That's how we care about our kids, our parents, and whatever. We respect the things they care, because it concerns much with their feelings. If we don't respect what they care, if we don't respect their works, if we don't respect their mood and whatever, that doesn't mean to care. To care is to respect others' feelings. So I'm going to quotation number 4. It said that nothing can be done if it's not yet done. We have a tendency of saying, I will do this tomorrow, I will do this tomorrow, I will do what? The universe always gravitates towards your actions. One day I will teach you about metaphysics, and we will discuss on how the universe responds to your action. It's because there are 3 laws of succeeding. If you want success, you must consider the 3 laws of succession. I've written them in one of my books in metaphysics. So one day when I get a chance to teach you about metaphysics, I will teach you on how to apply the 3 laws to make a successful life. So one of the law, it says that you must do actions. Do action on what you think. Don't just think in your mind. Don't we find ourselves in a situation where procrastination lose our life. You find yourself you are just saying I will do, but you don't make steps. To do or to make things accomplished in your life is to make steps. Move. If you think of an idea, just implement that idea so you can be successful. Don't just say I will do it, I will do it. So it can't be done unless it is done. So the next quotation, number 5. We always reward a kind heart with loyalty. We always reward a kind heart with loyalty. So stay humble, be a humble person. Try to do good things to others, regardless of what you are expecting from them. Because a kind heart is always rewarded with humility from others. Maybe it can't be today, tomorrow, or whatever, but be filled with gratitude. Have a kinder heart. Have a heart which feels the pain of others. Don't hurt the ones who are surrounding you. There are people who enjoy hurting others, beating them, insulting them, or saying what? Uh, Prophesizing bad things to them, maybe about their future. That is not humility. So to have a kind heart, you must feel about the pain of other people. And we always reward a kinder heart with loyalty. Loyalty is how people are loyal to you. If you say this thing, they will listen. If you tell them, let's go, they will follow. If you lead them, they will abide, or they will agree. But if you can't make first a kind heart, loyalty is impossible. So that is quotation number 5. So quotation number 6. Everything you prioritize, that's the way you are. You know, some people like lying to themselves. Even you can be sitting right there trying to lie about yourself, lying about your feelings, lying at what is inside you. You are trying to be happy, but internally you are not happy. That is not happiness. Happiness is to prioritize good things. When you prioritize doing bad action, bad thoughts, thinking in a bad way, thinking in a way that it will create a disaster. Because, you know, our thoughts are like something that's ways to manifest. In metaphysics, thoughts plays key law in the law of manifestation of things. So when you are prioritizing bad thoughts, you are thinking in a bad way, you are thinking bad things, thinking to harm others, thinking to steal, thinking to do prostitution, thinking to what? To rob, to do robbery, to steal from others. That is not supposed to be done, because what you prioritize or what you keep rotating in your ideas, in your mind, is how you become. That is the rule. You can't run from that. So I'm going to quotation number 7. There are no endless nights. There will always be sunrise and sunset. There are no endless nights. There will always be sunset and sunrise. All we know, when we find ourselves in difficult situation, you find yourself stranded somewhere, you find yourself things are knocking hard at your back. Everyone is running from you. Nobody is listening. Nobody is trying to listen to you. It's the time that we lose hope. But don't lose hope, because there will always be no endless nights, because the sun will always rise, the sun will always set. So you should never give up. Fight hard, fight for everything, fight for whichever you wanted in your life, because life is how it's supposed to be once you have decided to never give up. So never give up, fight hard all your life. So I'm going to quotation number 8. to call something a problem, it must come to you at a time when you are not prepared. There is nothing called a problem which exists in our world, because what is a problem to you, to me it's not a problem. What is a problem to somebody, to us, it's not a problem. So there is no something called a problem in this world unless it arrives to you as a surprise. So don't call something a problem, because that is a surprise thing to you. You can be busy doing your things, whatever. You can be busy rushing, running, and whatever. But when what you are trying to create comes knocking at your door in a surprise, that's what you will call a problem. But my friend, there is no problem in this world, because your problem, to me, it's not a problem. So what is a problem? So there is no problem unless it comes to you at a surprise. Quotation number 9. To make a fool learn, pain is the only tool. In this world, the world or the universe has undergone evolution to teach human beings how to behave. Sometime, right now, right there where you are trying to do some action which you know for sure they are wrong, but you are still doing them. You don't care. People are telling you, please stop doing this. This is not a good thing, but you are not listening. People are telling you, please, you will fall into a pit. Don't go that way. Don't blindfold yourself. You are going to fall. There in front, you are going to fall, but you are not listening. Everything people are telling you, are trying to tell you, you are not listening. You are still a much no. You think you know everything. You think you can do anything in this world. So listen carefully. Days are coming. You will regret. You will suffer.